Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adinu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 41 to 45 from the Aqua Basic Science 2016 questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answers when solving questions in basic science. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can also go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 41. At puberty in girls, the following changes take place, except the voice crack and become deeper. B. Hairs grow under the armpits and private parts. C. The hip becomes more pronounced. D. The ova are released one at a time. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of what the question is saying, then analyze all of the options and pick the one that best answers the question. Now, our question is centered on puberty in girls. And we know puberty comes with signs because it is stage of the beginning of maturity in boys and girls. And it comes with various signs. Now, option A says the voice crack and become deeper. And that is not a sign of puberty in girls, because that's a sign of puberty in boys. Their voice crack and become deeper. So option A is our correct answer. Option B, hairs grow under the armpits and private parts. That's true for puberty signs or puberty signs in girls. The hip becomes more pronounced. That's also true for puberty signs in girls. And the ova are released one at a time. That's also a sign in girls. And that leads to menstruation, which is observed in girls. So our correct answer would be the voice crack and become deeper. Question 41, the voice crack and become deeper is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 42. In the adult stage in man, dash is permanent. A. Decrease in height. B. Increase in height. C. Increase in growth. D. Decrease in growth. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in the adult stage in humans, that's what this man represents. What is actually permanent? Option A, decrease in height. Yeah, decrease in height is permanent because once a man attains or once humans attain a certain stage, there is usually a decline in their height. They begin to shrink. So decrease in height is permanent. Increase in height, that's not permanent because they've attained a stage where there begins a decline in their height. So option B is not correct. Increase in growth is also not correct because they don't grow anymore. There is a decrease. And decrease in growth is not actually correct. So our correct answer would be decrease in height. Alright, let's check it out. So decrease in height is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 43. The organ in the body which breaks down and eliminates dead red blood cell from the bloodstream is the A. Lungs, B. Skin, C. Liver, D. Kidney. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers the question. Now, in looking at all of these options, which option do you think is responsible for the breaking down and elimination of dead red blood cells in the body? Now, you would agree with me that one of the functions of the liver is for the detoxification of the blood. It helps to purify and detoxify the blood. And this will be our correct answer. Because all the blood coming from the small intestine, and the stomach go straight to the liver, where it is being purified and detoxified. And it is also helps to regulate the amount of chemicals in the blood. So our correct answer would be the liver. Let's check it out. The liver is our correct answer. Okay, let's look at the next question. Question 44. Nigeria generates a lot of useful products from crude oil, except A, petrol, B, bitumen, C, plastic, D, kerosene. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at all of these options, you will agree with me that all of these are fractions of crude oil. When we separate our crude oil, we get all of these options except one. And the exception is plastic. We don't get plastic from crude oil. We get petrol from crude oil, which is used to power our cars and our generators. We also get bitumen from crude oil, which is used in tying our roads. And we also get kerosene from crude oil, which is used in powering some machines like tractors and also for burning of substance and lighting our lanterns. And as well, it's also used for our kerosene stoves. So we also get kerosene from crude oil, but we don't get plastic from crude oil. So our correct answer would be option C, plastic. Let's check it out. Question 44, option C, plastic is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 50. Which of the following hormones is often referred to as emergency hormone? A, adrenaline, B, estrogen, C, insulin, D, kerosene. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. So we're going to be looking at the functions of all of these hormones and see which one is referred to as emergency hormone. Adrenaline is a hormone released in the body of someone feeling extreme emotions, which cause the person to have more energy. And that's our answer, emergency hormone. So when there is an emergency, the adrenaline is released and it gives you energy to do what you would not do in the normal situation. Take for instance, you are being chased by a dog. All of a sudden, you just get this wave of energy that helps you to run very fast and even fly over a fence. So that is the function of the adrenaline. It is the emergency hormone. Estrogen is one of the main female sex hormones. While both women and men produce estrogen, it plays a bigger role in women's body. That's not our answer. Estrogen is the sex hormone. Insulin is a hormone that plays a critical role in controlling blood sugar level in the body. So our correct answer would be adrenaline. It is released when someone feels extreme emotions in time of emergency. You feel this wave of emotions and it causes the person to have energy. So adrenaline is our correct answer. Option A, adrenaline, is actually our correct answer. Kerosene is actually not a hormone, so it is out of the options. Alright, this is how far we can go in this video. I hope you had fun. I'm asking us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below so we can get updates on more videos to come and we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos we've seen. It's usually fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.